Hi, I'm Mike, owner of the In-Groove in Phoenix, Arizona. Today we're doing some Record Store Day drop number 3 unboxings. This is the Rolling Stones Metamorphosis. This is the UK edition. This is the Indie Store Record Store Day exclusive. It says here on the hype sticker. Comes with a full color t-shirt iron-on transfer. Thought it was on gold. I thought it had a color variation. We'll find out here in a second. But yeah, actually this is, most people that are Stones fans kind of pass this one up. But I think that one of the best songs that the Rolling Stones ever did, Memo from Turner, one of my favorite Stones tracks, is on this album. But yeah, really good album. I've always liked this. But let's see what the Record Store Day 2020 edition looks like. All this stuff can be purchased online at our website, October 24th at 1 o'clock Eastern. Actually, pretty cool. Look at that. Pretty nice, high quality iron-on transfer. Has instructions on the back. But yeah, all this stuff can be purchased online at our website starting at 1 o'clock Eastern time at www.theingroove.com. Yeah, nice. Look at that. It's like a forest green vinyl. A little bit of scuffing there from the paper inner sleeve. Nothing too bad. Nice and flat vinyl. I really dig that color. I think it kind of suits this record. But yeah, with the iron on, pretty cool. Memo from Turner, fantastic track. All of these titles I'm opening on this Record Store Day drop are this, the titles that I was looking forward to, so the stuff that I don't mind keeping myself. But yeah, check us out online at www.theingroove.com.